Hey everybody, it's Tariq from backlinkinsider.com. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a Google XML sitemap plugin in your WordPress website so you can rank better on Google, Yahoo, and Bing for search, and so you can also make it really easy for Google and other website crawlers to read your website, including other XML aggregators. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your WordPress dashboard. You want to head over to plugins. So click plugins. Then we want to click add new. You want to go over to the search bar over here. You want to type in Google XML sitemap. Okay. Now there's a couple. You want to click Google XML sitemaps. There's a white thumbnail with the Yahoo, Bing, and Google logo on it, and it has over 1 million active installs. So you want to click install now, and then it should switch to activate. You click activate. Okay, now you want to head over to here to settings. You go over to XML sitemap. Okay, now when you first install this plugin, it should automatically generate the sitemap. So let's just verify it right now. This is a brand new website, so it doesn't have many pages on it. But if you already have your website's been up for a while, or you're just starting, if you have a website for a few months, you should see a sitemap for every month. If not, you should see something simple like that. But it is working. You can check out the URL. Whatever so be your domain name / sitemap.xml. So it's working. Then now let's just quickly go over the settings. You want to make sure all of these are checked. These will update the search engines about your sitemap. And then you also want to compress your sitemap, and you want to make sure you include an HTML format as well. So those are really important pages. Now, if you also have some additional pages on your website that aren't in WordPress, you can also add those pages here. You just simply click an add new page button right here. Then you add the URL, and you can change the priority to like 1.04, and then you can change the change frequency to monthly. So that's how if you have a static website, you have some static pages, that's how you add them. Now, for post priority, you can just leave it at comment count. What you'll do is the post with the most comments will have the highest priority, and then the actual content you want to include in your sitemap, you want to basically make sure you have checked include homepage, post, and static pages. And if you have a really big website with a lot of custom written content, then you can also include your author pages and your categories. So for example, if you have a multi-author blog with a lot of authors and you're not the only writer, then you can check include author pages. And if you have a lot of custom categories, like on a travel website, you can also include your categories as well. But for most people, just these three will be enough. And then now the frequencies. So the frequencies are exactly how often the crawlers are going to basically check. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you have daily, your home page is daily, because for a lot of websites the home page will be changing every day. And then if you post very often, you can change this from monthly to weekly or even daily, depending on how much content you write. And then you can also change the static pages to daily as well if you're writing a lot of custom pages. But these are basically the priorities. They're pretty good as they are in the default. So the only time you need to make changes is if you're writing a lot of content and you want the frequency to be updated more often. And then finally, we have the priorities here. I usually just leave these as default. They're pretty solid. So that's basically what you need to get set up. If you're just starting out, you can just leave most of these as default. If you're running a multi-author blog, make sure to check to include your author pages in the sitemap as well. And you can also change the frequency. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. See you next time, and good luck out there.